Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we'll be comparing two of the top budget ANC headphones on the market right now to find out which is the best to buy in 2022. The 1More Sonoflow headphones are the first over-ear headphones that feature noise cancellation from this likable, affordable audio tech brand. And they are emphatic proof that you can get a great pair of wireless headphones capable of ticking most of the boxes for under $100. The Anker Soundcore Space Q45, on the other hand, is the latest addition in the electronics giant's widely popular headphone collection. Both headphones feature flagship specs at affordable prices, including active noise cancellation Bluetooth 5.3 with multipoint technology and some of the longest battery life in their category. Despite these similarities, there are many differences between these two headphones that's worth knowing. So, are Soundcore Q45s really worth the extra buck? Hey, let's find out. For more information and updated prices, check the links in the description box below. Price and color options. One of the big draws of 1More products is that they're inexpensive, and at $79, the 1More Sonoflow over-ear headphones continue the tradition. The Q45s, on the other hand, are priced at $149 on Amazon or directly from Anker. As for color options, black is the only color available for both headphones, with Q45, navy blue, and white releasing sometime later in the year. Inside the box are a carrying case, USB-C charging cable, aux cable, and a user guide. Design and comfort. In terms of design, the 1More Sonoflow over-ear headphones come in a compact and premium-looking zip case with a hard shell to protect them on the move. The spots where the ear cups fit are labeled, which makes folding them up in a hurry much easier. The headphones have a simple design, quality hinges, and a matte-like finish to the plastic casing. The cups are made from super soft memory foam with a bright red fabric lining on the inside. In addition, the headphones are incredibly comfortable to wear for long periods of time thanks to the soft ear pads, the adjustable cups, lightweight design, and cushioned headband. Refreshingly, you can truly keep these cans on all day long, which is rare for headphones of this category. Granted, some people might find this design a bit boring, in that they don't stand out as much as the higher-end over-ears, like Bose Headphones 700 or the Apple AirPods Max. But the minimal aesthetic makes them look more luxe than they should at this price. The Q45s, on the other hand, look no different than the Life Q35. They have aluminum alloy hinges and thick plastic yoke, which are of great quality, ensuring they won't shatter if dropped on the ground. Details like the matte finish and embossed Soundcore logo on the front of the ear cup are nice touches too. They have a carrying case, which hasn't changed much either, except for the plastic mold on the inside to easily pick up the headphones and accessories instead of a sketch showing how to place everything. Based on the specs provided by Anker, the Q45s are heavier, weighing 10.3 ounces. However, its materials make these headphones feel lighter and comfier. The soft skin-friendly cushion on the bottom headband doesn't apply much pressure atop the skull, and the ear cup padding is gentle on the ears. Pairing the 1More Sonoflow with the iPhone is incredibly easy, as it gets the app working within seconds. Unfortunately, the app is bland in terms of design and sparse when it comes to features. However, the basics are here. You can switch the ANC on and off or select transparent mode, which works well for having conversations without taking the headphones off. It also has the equalizer, although you can't fully adjust or tune the headphones with a 5-band EQ tab. Instead, there are 12 custom presets to choose from, including bass booster and classical. These might provide enough customization for most listeners, but will be disappointing for those who want more control. In the app, you'll also find a soothing sound section. There's also an option for experimental features, which you'll find multi-point pairing, which works well. Alas, there's no option to customize the functions. Then again, if you like physical buttons or over-capacitive on-ear touch controls, these might be more appealing. One of the main selling points of these over-ears is their impressive battery life. They boast a huge 70 hours with ANC off, and a still amazing 50 hours with ANC on. When you need to charge them up, you'll find a USB-C charging cable in your carrying case. Interestingly, a 5-minute charge could deliver more than 4.5 hours of extra listening, and 1.5 hours of charge gets them completely full. On the other hand, Anker's never been one to cheat their consumers out of battery life. After all, they built their legacy on selling high-powered portable chargers. It should come as no surprise that the Q45 has some of the lengthiest playtimes in the category, no matter how you use the headphones. A full charge gets you 50 hours with ANC on and up to 65 hours with ANC off, placing it in the same company as the Sennheiser Momentum 4. Those who use the Q45 moderately can get about a month of use. Music lovers should get around 2 weeks of ANC listening before needing a recharge. As for controls and digital assistant, Anker still has jumped on the touch controls bandwagon. Yet regardless of the Q45's lack of touch gestures and wear detection, it comes with several media controls that can be activated via multifunctional buttons. The right ear cup has a play-pause button that can also turn on the digital assistant, while the volume rockers do as expected and perform other functions. The left ear cup has a power pairing button and an NC button that enables listening modes or the bass up feature. All these buttons are easy to locate and produce solid tactility to ensure listeners of intended commands being executed. Sound quality. In terms of sound quality, the Q45 packs some serious audio specs for a mid-range headphone. It has a 40mm double-layer diaphragm driver sitting underneath the hood that ramps up the low end while also producing rich mids and crisp highs. Anker's soundstage is wide and immersive, and the inclusion of bass up mode adds more oomph to music. The technology sounds more refined. Users can enable bass up in the sound effects setting via companion app, as well as the customizable EQ and over 20 plus presets that cater to different music genres and content. Qualcomm's aptX codec support might be missing for AAC and CBC codecs, but the Q45 features high-quality LDAC codec support that's able to handle wireless streams at 990 kilobytes per second from compatible playback devices. This brings the Q45 in line with upmarket models like the Sony WH-1000 XM5. Also, listening with noise cancellation on boosts the bass a smidge but doesn't compromise other frequencies. On the other hand, the noise cancellation offer from the 1More Sonoflow headphones is really impressive for the price. In fact, that's the key here. These aren't the best noise-canceling headphones you can buy, but for under $100, you're getting a great experience. The same can be said for the sound quality. Although the 1More Sonoflow won't compete with headphones 3 or 4 times the price, you'll be impressed with the powerful bass and detailed crisp highs offered here, thanks to the Sonoflow's dual 40mm drivers. And what's more, the albeit limited EQ presets affects music from genre to genre. Overall, the bass is great with the headphones and, crucially, doesn't distort even at high volumes. Additionally, there's support for Sony's LDAC high-res audio format, but you need a device that supports it as well as audio that offers a high-res bitrate. There's also CBC and AAC codecs. Good news for iOS users, which, again, it's a decent range for the price, but there's no aptX adaptive, which some people, especially Android users, might consider a deal breaker. Before we jump into the conclusion, be sure to share your thoughts in the comments below, and also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Conclusion. Like all 1More products, the 1More Sonoflow over-ear headphones are excellent value for money. In many respects, they feel more high-end than they should thanks to their matte finish, sturdy case, and minimal design, which doesn't give away its budget price. You'll find a more premium experience from an app elsewhere. And although we highly rate the ANC and Sound On offer here, other headphones do it better. But crucially, not for this price. The battery life is obviously excellent and the comfort levels are high, so these headphones will be ideal for most people who want good sound but need to know they're dependable enough for all-day wear, and these certainly are. So if you wear headphones for work, care about comfort, and you only have $80 to spend, you should definitely consider the 1More Sonoflow. The Q45s, on the other hand, drives quite the bargain. It offers remarkable battery life, quality ANC, and superb sound powered by upmarket specs and special features. It delivers on most of its promise, but not all, as exemplified by poor digital assistant and wind reduction during calls. The large design might not be for everyone either. However, look past its flaws and the Soundcore Q45 will reward you with compelling sounds and noise neutralization, and for half the price of Bose and Sony's flagship models. Overall, personally, I would go for the 1More Sonoflow as they win many of the categories here, including calls, comfort, performance, and are also excellent value for money. Simply put, it has everything that you need on a headphone. But if you're still trying to find the best model for you, check out our previous video about the top 5 best budget headphones. Link is in the description box below. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, and also don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so as to never miss any of our upcoming videos. For more information and updated prices about the headphones mentioned, check the links in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. See ya!